Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Dylan, aka DirtBikeDyl. We out here at Four Peaks and the Coves area. We're gonna go right down to the water right now, do some gnarly hill climbs, show you guys some badass spots. So without further ado, let's get on the bikes and shred it. So we're out here at Four Peaks / Saguaro Lakes area, making our way over to the coves at Saguaro Lake, Cove 1, 2, 3, 4, and probably 5, and maybe to the cliff dive spot. I'm not gonna hit the cliff dive today because
why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
the hill climbs on the way there is so sick, and then just the scenery in general is badass. I love being out here in the lake. Like, whew! We were gonna ride to the top of Four Peaks Mountain, which is right over there, but there's not enough snow on it like there was last Sunday. But you already know we were in Colorado doing our thing, as you guys saw from the videos. If you guys haven't already, go check out the Colorado videos. Got 4 of them posted up on the channel. Woo! That was so much fun. Oh, look at this view, guys. Look at that. Saguaro Lake. Woo! This is one of my favorite places to come, honestly. What's up, guys? Good. How you guys doing today? Oh, it's so nice out. Just look at the lake. We're going to be going all the way down on the trails over there and then going all the way to the coves over there. So sick. We're going to neutral race. Yeah. All right. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Da-na-na-na-na. Woo! Woo! Holy shit, we mobbing! We in the lead squad. You already know how this is. We out here, DirtBikeDyl. You know the vibes. Cole bump started his bike. Still gonna beat you, boy. Woo! Hell yeah, I won. Get it, Cole. Atta boy. I love hill climbs. Hey, buddy. Oh, just look at this freaking view, guys. Oh my god. This is so freaking pretty. I love Arizona so much. And we're dropping into the Cove 3 area right now. This is the final hill dropping into it, but just take in this view. On the other side of this here is Cove 2, and then where that little boat's at and that little cliff, the other side is Cove 1. We're gonna go over there to Cove 4 and 5 and so on, because there's more fun hills over here. So let's get it! Whee! All right, we pulling into Cove 3. Look at this beach. Woo! Man, there's like nobody here too. This is rare. Usually this place is packed. Let's go. We're like the only ones here. Let's go ahead and prop the bike right here on this tree. And we out here. We got the whole beach to ourselves, boys. This is dope. Check out the KTM. Woo. Get it, boy. This is dope. We out here. We got some ducks. We got a boat. Got the water. What more can you ask for on a nice Sunday? All right, Cove 3, it has been real. We just chilled here for a little bit. Everybody go get yourself a pair of crushed MX gloves. They're super comfortable. They got grip on the tips, grips on the palm. You can feel the levers perfectly. Woo, got great bar control. So without further ado, let's get it. Ooh, look at all that mud. On to the next hill. Almost stalled. We dropping down Cove 5 hill. We skipped Cove 4. Oh, someone's got a little campsite posted up over here. Goddamn. Full send. Woo! Get it, boy! Yeah! Alright, let's get out of Cove 5. Woo! This hill climb got super chewed out. Oh my god, just look at that freaking view. Woo! Woo! So freaking gorgeous. We're pulling into Cove 6. Alright, next hill climb. Whee! We go into the cliff dive spot. And it's actually starting to get hot out now, so low key, we might go in the water. I'm not sure. But y'all will see when we get there, so. Oh, get it, Jesse! There you go. Yoo-hoo! Atta boy! So there's Cove 7, but it's completely overgrown with the shit ton of stuff. We gotta go up the hill. Straight in front of us, guys, this is the cliff jump. You guys probably can't really tell, but I've done it before in one of my other old videos. The cliff jump is literally right where they are on the boat. You just swim up there and climb off. But let's go down this little rock waterfall. And just like that, got the KTM parked. Woo! We out here at the cliff dive spot. Alright guys, so me and Cole just got out of the water. We just did the cliff jump. Didn't bring the GoPro because don't have the waterproof case, but Jesse got it on his phone, so I'll play the clip for you guys. I'm exhausted. That was a far-ass swim. Water's cold. Cole says his balls are freezing. I feel him on that. I'm frozen. Well, let's play the clip. Whew. That was so much fun. Much needed water. Was really refreshing. It was extremely cold though. Let's get it. Man, today is a freaking great day. I hope you guys are enjoying, because I know I'm enjoying it. So make sure to smash that like button right now. Comment, subscribe if you guys haven't already. You already know what it is. Woo-hoo! It's Sunday. Ooh, cool. Ha! I just like drifted out hard. That was funny. I still think it's really funny how it just slid out like 2-3 minutes ago, or probably like 30 seconds ago for you guys. Ooh, a jet ski. We back at Cove 3. Ooh, it's a nice truck. Ooh, another one. Totally soaked myself. That one's so much fun. Ooh, some mud. You know, we wheelie over it. Ooh, puddle. Let's get it. Let's get it. Woohoo! Woohoo! I just drifted for like 20 feet. Holy shit. I don't know how I saved that. I don't know how much the GoPro picked that up. Oh. After that puddle, I just slammed on the rear brake right there, and I just drifted so hard. Thought I was going down, but I didn't. Yeah. That section got so whoopy right there, I just got mad speed wobbles. Holy shit. There's nothing else like being on the pipe on the two-stroke. Well, alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. My name's Dylan, aka DirtBikeDyl. We got the homies Jesse and Trey and Cole behind me. Today was a fun ass day. Like I said, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to smash that like button, comment, subscribe if you guys haven't already. We'll catch you guys next weekend. Later.